Why adding the OpenToWork frame to your LinkedIn profile is a bad idea and how it's hurting your job prospects. This video is part of a career series to show Power BI professionals how to create a successful career and a life of freedom. If you just give me a few minutes, I'll tell you why OpenToWork is the wrong way to increase your job hunting chances. And if you watch till the end and comment the word network below, we would give you a bonus on the right way to start networking and finding jobs on LinkedIn. I'm Avi Singh, a Power BI Microsoft MVP, and through my online programs on learnpowerbi.com, I have trained thousands to not only master the technical skills, but also coach them to create a successful career and a life of freedom. And that is where the OpenToWork frame might be a problem. So you're looking for a job or a client and you add the OpenToWork frame to your LinkedIn profile. Maybe LinkedIn even suggests that you do that, but realize that it's hurting more than it's helping, and here's why. Most people know that using a resume or website is one of the hardest ways to find a job or a client. And they also know that networking is one of the fastest ways to find a job or client. And that's where the OpenToWork frame creates a problem. Let me tell you a story of Alexander and Boris. When the great Alexander showed up at the doorsteps of India, he met the mighty army of King Boris. It is the first time the Greek army had seen war elephants. But Alexander was a brilliant leader and strategist, and he rallied his troops to defeat the mighty king. But this story isn't about the battle. It is about what happened afterwards. King Boris was chained and brought in front of Alexander, and Alexander asked him, "How should I treat you?" And Boris famously replied, "How a king should treat another king." Alexander ended up making Boris a regent of that whole region, and Alexander and Boris essentially ended up as allies. And there is the most important lesson for anyone looking for jobs or clients. You already know networking is the most powerful way to find a job or client, and LinkedIn is a great platform to do that. But networking works best among equals or near equals. How a king should treat another king. And that is why the first rule of networking is never ever reach out to people and ask for a job. Don't do it. Instead, ask for an informational meeting, because that way you can meet them on more equal terms. In fact, that's going to be your bonus if you watch till the end. We would give you the exact script on how to reach out to people on LinkedIn the right way, because I see many of you are doing it wrong. But even if you reach out the right way, the OpenToWork frame creates a problem. Because let's say you reach out and ask for an informational meeting, but they would still see the OpenToWork frame on your profile and assume you're just asking for a job. I know when I get requests from people with the OpenToWork frames, I kind of get uncomfortable, maybe a bit awkward, and either just ignore their message or give an evasive reply to avoid meeting them. You don't want that from your network. You want your network to be helping you and supporting you. And OpenToWork often has the opposite effect. So remove the OpenToWork frame right now and start networking with people on more equal terms. And to do it right, just comment the word network below and I'll send you a free bonus. The exact script you can use to reach out to your LinkedIn network and ask for an informational meeting the right way, as I see so many people doing it wrong. I'm always here to support you in your Power BI and your career journey, so make sure to follow me on LinkedIn, and once you follow me, you can message me anytime you need help. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and power on.